Let us try to multiply 2-digit to 3-digit by 2-digit whole numbers without renaming. My first example here is 12 times 12. Of course, it depends on you if you want to do repeated addition, wherein you would have to write 12 times. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then add all of it. That's one way, but it will be too tedious. What if the number already became 12 times 56? So, or 38 times 56. So that will be too long. Another way to do it is to use number bonds. Okay, so number bonds is actually just splitting one of these numbers into two numbers. So let's say I'll be splitting 12 into 10 and 2. Okay, and then I will be multiplying 12 with 10 and then 12 with 2. So it's easier that way. So let's do that first. So 10 and 2. So let's multiply first. 12 times 10 is 120. And then 12 times 2 will give me 24. So then 120 plus 24 would actually be equal to 144. So that's one way to do this. Another is of course the use of the vertical multiplication, which is this method. So we multiply first. 2 ones with 2 will give us 4. Next, we move to the tens place. 110 times 2 is 2 tens. Next, here I am multiplying in the tens place. Okay, this one is not just a 1, it's a 10. So 2 times 110 would actually give me 20. Alright, so for some, they would actually drop this 0 already. But for us not to get confused, let's put that first there. Because again, you're multiplying in the tens place value. And then, next would be multiplying 110 times 110 will give me 100. And then, add them together. That's 4, 4, 1. So the answer is still 144. Okay, so let's try a 3-digit number. So this time, let's do 323 times, let's say 33. Okay. I wouldn't be writing 323 here 33 times, okay? Because that would take me so long. So I will not be showing repeated addition anymore, but rather, I'll show you number bonds again, just like the one earlier. So for number bonds, I'll be splitting 33 into 30 and 3. Okay, so 30 and 3. And then I'll be multiplying 323 to each 30 and then 3. So start with 3. 323 times 3 will give me that would be 969. Okay, and then the other one, 323, I'll use green, so 323 times 30. Okay, so for those who are still confused on how to multiply with multiples of 10, again, this can just be 323 times 3 times 10. 323 times 3 times 10. So you can just do 323 times 3, which is this one already, 969 times 10, which is just appending a 0. So that's 9,690. Okay, but we don't stop there because we would have to add the partial products. So that would be 9,690 plus 969, which will give me 9. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 6 is 15, regroup 1. So 9 plus 1 plus 6 is 16, regroup 1, and 10. So that's 10,659. So the other way, of course, is with the use of vertical multiplication. So I'll be showing that as well here. I think I have space here. So 323 times 33. So again, we will be multiplying 3 times 3 first. That's 9. Okay, this one is 6 tenths. This one will give me 900. Then we proceed with the tens place value. Again, do not forget that this one you're multiplying with 3 tens. Okay, not just 3. It's a 3 tens. So 3 times 3 tens or 30 would actually be 90. So I'll be putting 90 right there. And then proceed. This one, 3 times 2 is 6. And then 3 times 3 is again 9. Adding them together, the partial products will give us 9, 15, and 16, and then 10. So again, I got the same answer, which is 10,659. So for our next video, I'll be showing how to multiply, but this time with regrouping or renaming already.